how you do proper deadlifts. First, you want to make sure that your feet are shoulder width apart, and when you grab the bar, your hands are also going to be shoulder width apart, and grab onto the bar fully. Next step is going to do, when you do grab the bar, you want to make sure that you bend at the knees and also at the hips. And when you do grab the bar, this bar is going to be slightly off the ground, so your back is going to be straight. Make sure you grab the whole bar fully around, look up, chest up to the sky, and bring your hips up the sky, and as you bring your torso up at the same time. And when you do the repetitions, you're just going to bend over again at the waist. Keep your knees slightly bent, bend all the way down until you feel a good stretch in your glutes, and you come all the way up without breaking your back and making sure your posture's straight. So when you do the full movement, it should look a little bit like this. Bent at the knees, then at the waist, keep your back straight, chest up. And that's